To backup data with a Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to go to Settings. In these settings, you want to scroll down until you find Accounts and Backup, and then choose it. And you should be able to find backup data in Google Drive section. So select it. Over here now we can choose what we want to backup. So we have the option to backup photos and videos, as well as other device data such as contacts, call history, and so on. So select what you want to backup. In my case, I'm just gonna select other device data so that it doesn't take that long, and press confirm. And there we go, we have backup status. Then we can press manage backup. And if you want to perform the backup manually, then you have the backup now option here. So we can press it, and we need to enter our password for the screen lock. And that's pretty much it. Over here we have the progress bar. And also we have the information that backups are done automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours, so mostly at night when you are sleeping. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!